happening?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions you wish to ask further of your attorney?
No, Your Honor.
You agree to continue this for one more pretrial on the 18th of January?
Yes, sir.
And then on a jury trial in the event that the matter cannot be resolved, you say the 13th of February, that's actually a holiday, may it be the 14th?
Oh, sir.
All right, then, on agreement, I will continue this matter for one final pretrial on the 18th of January. That's a Wednesday, 8:30 in the morning, Department C-47, and a backup jury trial date on the 14th of February. That's Tuesday, 8:30 in the morning, C-47. Ordering you to be there for both occasions, and the file will reflect the time this way. Stay in contact with your attorney. Do whatever you need to do, and we'll see you back on those dates. Agreed?
Yes,
Thank you.
Thank God.
Matter of Edmund Israel Salcido. Salcido, you also understand what is happening? This is agreeable with that as well on the 6th of January. That's a Friday, 8:30 in the morning, in Department C-47. When unable to resolve it, on a backup jury trial date on Tuesday, February 7th, 8:30 in the morning in C-47. File reflect the time is waived. Be present for both appearances. Understood? Yes. Okay, thank you. Good luck. And we have the scheduled preliminary examination of Adriana Marcela Salcedo.
You're seeing Judge James Gray there in the Orange County Courthouse as he appeared very recently. I've had Judge Gray on my show when he took a sabbatical from the bench to run for United States Senate. And some of you may have remembered seeing him here on second thought when he was running for the U.S. Senate and was excluded from the U.S. Senate debates. You never saw him in courtroom. That's why I'm showing you this. But I want to see an even-handed, fair judge as he deals with different clients. One of them is a custody battle. I just wanted you to see him in the courtroom as he appears in Orange County. And he's still a sitting judge in Orange County, California. And in my opinion, after watching him, he's better than half the judges I saw in Orange County. He's fair. He's even-tempered. He takes his time. He doesn't rush the case, and he gives every client a fair shake. But that's just my opinion. We'll go back to Jim Gray as he deals with another issue in his courtroom.
My officer's index.
And did she indicate to you in some way that she understood the rights that you explained to her?
Yes, she did.
And did she speak to you?
Yes, she did.
And what did Ms. Salcedo tell you with respect to the investigation you were conducting?
On behalf of Mr. Rodriguez,
Issue?
no, more along the lines of Crawford versus Washington, we feel that as an offer of proof, I don't believe Mr. Dolniak is going to let Ms. Salcedo testify in these proceedings, so we're being denied the right to confront the witness and also due process rights. And we request that the court not consider this evidence against Mr. Rodriguez.
Briefly, Your Honor, I would point out that the court obviously was leaning towards Bruton originally, and our courts have ruled that at a preliminary hearing, the Bruton issue doesn't apply, and it based part of its decision on the fact that at a preliminary hearing, the Sixth Amendment right to cross-examination doesn't, I don't know how to describe it, doesn't have the same effect in light of Prop 115 being a hearsay exception in order to expedite, the theory being to expedite preliminary hearings, et cetera, et cetera. And I would argue.
Well, there you had Judge Gray in Orange County Courthouse. I'm William Wagener for On Second Thought. I hope I've given you at least some reason to pause and think about whether all this government is good. Catch us next week. William Wagener saying, see you.